Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Thanks for subscribing. In this YouTube video, I'm going to teach you how to use a digital scale to measure the tail weight of a gas cylinder. Before we start up on this YouTube tutorial, it's good to know that you don't scale a digital scale upside down. It must be placed upright. Before you begin, make sure your digital scale is placed on a plain surface on the floor and make sure it's not resting on anything. Next is to switch on your digital scale. This can be done by switching up on the back of your digital scale. Typically, after you switch on your digital scale, you will notice it counts from 0 to 1. You have to wait for the countdown before you measure any gas cylinder on your digital scale. Failure to do this, you may get inaccurate figure when measuring your gas cylinder on your digital scale. As you can see from this video, there is a mistake. You don't place your gas cylinder on your digital scale before switching it on. First off, you switch off your digital scale before placing your gas cylinder on your digital scale. This gives an accurate figure and not a minus figure on your dashboard. You can also check for the tail weight of your gas cylinder. It's mostly stamped on the neck ring of gas cylinder or on the bottom ring. After your digital scale has been count down from 3 to 1, make sure you place your gas cylinder on your digital scale. And this will give you a figure. And this figure means the total figure of everything. It's also called net weight. As you can notice from the video, when nothing is placed on the digital scale, it will turn back to 0 figure. Now placing my gas cylinder on the digital scale give me the total figure and the tail weight of the gas cylinder. The size of the gas cylinder used in this video is 6 kg, and as you can see from the video, the total figure of the 6 kg on digital scale is 7.35. Make sure you tail weight your gas cylinder. This can be found on the dashboard of the digital scale. And your digital scale must be placed on a plain surface on the floor and not rested on anything. This will give you an accurate figure.